Hi, I'm Rebecca and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the 5 key components to seamlessly integrate new windows into stucco exteriors. Get ready to unlock the secrets that will elevate your stucco sanctuary to new heights. So let's jump right in. Our first component lays the foundation for your entire project: precise measurement. If a window is not fit down to the 1/8 of an inch of an opening, it will not fit or function properly. Furthermore, if the window does not fit and your existing window is already taken out, then you're stuck with a hole in your house and no replacement window to put in. What makes this crucial for stucco homes especially is that your siding must be cut into to remove your windows. This means if the replacement window does not fit, not only do you not have a window, but your siding and home will be open and exposed to the elements until the correct window is installed. Component 2 emphasizes the importance of minimizing stucco damage during the window installation process. Because stucco is a fragile material to work with, it can be damaged easily, especially if someone doesn't know what they're doing. The last thing you want is to see chunks of your wall removed along with your windows. The more damage that occurs to your stucco, the more it will cost to repair it. With this, it's important you know whether a contractor will cover stucco repair or not. A high-quality contractor will take care of your stucco to produce as little damage as possible, and also will provide the proper solution for stucco repairs and stucco work on your home. Precise stucco cutting, a critical step in achieving a seamless window integration. When removing a window in stucco, a contractor should cut as closely around the window as possible. Now, depending on whether you choose stucco banding, stucco flange, or neither around your windows, the cut size and depth can vary. This is because stucco banding and flange will border the window, which requires stucco work on top, which would cover wider cuts around the window. If you choose to have no stucco banding or flange around your new windows, a larger cut would require more stucco repair work to be done, which lengthens the timeline of your project and adds to the cost. Our fourth component centers around selecting the right tools essential for cutting stucco and removing the existing window. A high-quality contractor will use a grinder with a diamond blade to create a straight, even cut around your windows, or carefully and precisely chisel out surrounding stucco to eliminate excess dust caused by cutting or grinding. Once the stucco is cut, the window can be carefully and properly removed without damaging the stucco or your wall's frame. What you don't want is a company that pulls out the sledgehammer and bangs and breaks your stucco all messy and then yanks out your windows with a crowbar. The bottom line is that you want a company that will take their time, make methodical decisions with every move they make, and uses the proper tools to replace your windows and take care of your home. Our final component focuses on dust control, ensuring a clean and serene environment throughout the window installation process. Even with a high-quality contractor that takes their time with stucco, dust is expected, but the difference between a quality and faulty contractor is the time and effort put into minimizing the dust and debris during your project. Before any construction starts on your home, tarps should be placed indoors around any windows to be replaced. Interior walls, hanging interior items, exterior landscaping, and other decorative items should be covered prior to construction to ensure a clean workspace. A quality contractor will also clean up as they go along, vacuuming excess dust and completing a full, thorough cleanup in your home daily. Understanding these 5 key components to a stucco window replacement provides you with the tools to ensure a successful window replacement project in your stucco home. Now remember, having the right information, knowing what questions to ask, and knowing what red flags to spot in a potential contractor will ensure you choose the right company for your window replacement. To help you out, we linked a video above that outlines 6 questions to ask a window replacement contractor during a consultation. Then, you'll be equipped with the right questions to find the right contractor to meet your needs. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.